Hi everyone and welcome to Quick Solution. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a number in WhatsApp from a different country. So basically if you want to add someone on WhatsApp, you can just go to your contacts, add that person in your contacts, and then they will already be imported to your WhatsApp application. But if that person is from some different country, you'll have to type in the number with the country code. So what I'm going to show is, if I'm going to Google right here and I'm going to select country codes, I suggest you go to the first option, countrycode.org, and right here there is a list of country codes from each and every country. So basically, let's say I'm going to choose a random one right here, and let's say you want to add a number from Denmark. So as you can see, the country code is 45. So what I'm going to do is, at phone number right here, I'm going to insert a plus, and then I'm going to insert 45, which is the country code, and after that you'll have to type in the rest of the number, and then of course you can put in the name and save it so that you can talk to that person on WhatsApp. So basically this is pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one.